Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial I will show you how to remove echo and background noise from your video using Clipchamp, a free video editor by Microsoft. Whether you are editing YouTube content or Zoom recording, clean audio is essential. Let's fix that echo So we're gonna choose a video, we click here import media, then we choose video. Let's see, let's choose this video. We drag it here. First thing first, we detach the video. Sorry, we touch the audio. Then we click here to the audio. We click here. We have this function name noise suppression. Sorry, noise suppression. We have only to click here. We have to wait till this, yeah, you see it right now? It's done. After that, the sound quality is really better. So then you're gonna export the video. So that's it. Clean professional audio in a few clicks with a Clipchamp. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more editing tips. See you on the next ones.